Hey plugats, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to make a hood trap beat and I try rapping on it.
Chains on my neck.
I'm not a rapper, but we'll give it a shot. I'll be using only Waves plugin for this video, and if you keep watching I will give you a free creative plugin. So now let's dive in. The first element to focus on in this genre is the 808. We will cover the snare later, but for now let's start here, choosing the notes like F, F sharp, G, E is ideal for powerful bass hit because they sit in a lower frequency range where the 808 can hit hard while remaining clear and impactful in the mix. If you are using sample like this, make sure they are in key. You can use this trick, double click. Here go to flex pitch. And now you can find the key of your 808 sample. Or if you are using Studio Verse by Waves, you can find some great processed 808s and you will just need to write them in the piano roll. I ended up creating this pattern using a 808 distorted from my sample pack and crafting a simple groove that delivers great vibes. Now I choose the snare pattern from my sample pack. And now go to loops and I need a sample. My sample is in the key of the B flat minor, a note that belongs to the F minor scale, therefore my bass will work well, stay harmonically compatible if you can listen. Fit so nice with the sample, and this is so important, okay? Yeah, now I go to create a pad and go to Studio Verse here. To give the pad some space, I added these other layers here, panned differently, and the sound is more live. Okay? Alright guys, this is my beat. I've been made a few changes. I added some simple pads, an intro and a hook where I'll be rapping. I also divided the snare here into 3 different parts and I added a reverb one. They've all been processed in a different way to blend better in the mix. And now let's listen to it. Okay, I'm very inspired right now. I'm going to record.
Yeah, I'm plugged in like the lights on my block. Heavy chains on my neck, got the time on my watch. Big moves, no talk, let the money just drop. From the scene to the stage, now we're sitting on the top.
Are you ready? Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm plugged in like the lights on my block. Heavy chains on my neck, got the time on my watch. Big moves, no talk, let the money just drop. From the scene to the stage, now we're sitting on the top. Now we're sitting on the top.
Yeah! Wow. If anyone liked the mix of the vocals, in a bit I will explain which plugins I use, but in the meantime, as I promised, the free plugin is the Philodendron. Yeah! You can add this plugin on your sample, and you can manipulate the sound. It's so simple to use. It's a rigger buffer. That container keeps rewriting itself, and we have here the read offset. Here we have the buffer sides. You can change this line. Here are the speed, the read speed. You can see you can go so fast or slowly. Here we have the feedback, and those bars represent the 4 reading heads. Here we have the number of heads. Now I have only one, and the dry wet signal, okay, in the center. If you want to read more, go to the blog, download, read more about that, and use on your production if you like it. Now go to the hood trap beat. For the vocal mix, first of all, I corrected some off-key notes using the flex pitch, sticking to the notes of the B flat minor scale. And after that, I duplicated the track for 4 times here, and I cut the highs and keep only the low frequency on the first 2 here. I pan this to the left or right, and the mids I panned hard left and hard right to get the powerful vocal that dominates the mix. Yeah, the first step I took are this. After that I grouped all the tracks together and I added Studioverse in insert. For those who don't know it, it's a game changer because you can find many presets used by famous engineers. For example, this was the chain of Tizio. It's a famous sound engineer, and after that you can already set up all this chain, okay? You can change everything that you want to make sure fix nice in your mix, and this is very nice idea because save you a lot of time. Now check this out.
Yeah, I'm plugged in like the lights on my block. Heavy chains on my neck, got the time on my watch. Big moves, no talk, let the money just drop. From the scene to the stage, now we're sitting on the top.
Okay, after Studioverse I added the F6 to bring out the snare in the vocals. Basically, I send the snare group to the vocal group, and here we have the group of snare in sidechain to the top, and with the F6 I reduced some frequency around this area here to remove some madness from the vocals and make space for the fundamentals snare frequencies, which sit around this range. I activated here, it's so important to activate the sidechain in this plugin, and after that I made this band number 5 and I apply a upward compression, okay, to help the snare stand out in that range. Let's listen.
I'm plugged in like the lights on my block. Heavy chains on my neck, got the time on my watch. Big moves, no talk, let the money just drop. From the scene to the stage, now we're sitting on the I'm plugged in like the lights on my block. Heavy chains on my neck, got the time on my watch. Big moves, no talk, let the money just drop. From the scene to the stage, now we're sitting on the I'm plugged in like the lights on my block. Heavy chains on my neck, got the time on my...
Okay guys, if you want to use my sample pack you can find on my blog, check this out. For today it's all. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and see you in the next time. Peace.